Okay guys, good evening. Yes, as we mentioned and as we promised earlier, we're not done with our vlog for this new year. So this one is going to be what happened on ano ba? Ang title sa itong vlog dito. How New Year celebration is celebrated here at Alona Beach, Bohol. She wants to share her new outfit, which is very, very sexy. I love it so much. We are on our way outside and probably go get some dinner, and because we are very, very starving right now, and we are going to see what the outside of Alona can offer to us. So yun guys, we'll be back to you later pag once makakita mo yung restaurant or some place to eat, because we are really starving and we are going to celebrate our new year here at Alona Beach Resort. Alona Beach, Bohol, Panglao, Bohol. So yun guys, thank you so much. We'll be back to you. Woo! Okay, now we are preparing for our breakfast. Dinner day. So, nag-order me din sa restaurant na Marlboro.ph. Okay guys, we got all our plans set right now, and our plans for tomorrow is island hopping. So, makita mo yung island hopping tomorrow, and then after pagka 2 is Bohol tour me. By 3 is balik kami to Cebu City, kay pagka 4 mag-visit mi sa Andini. And na-serve na namin yung salad. What am I going to do with that salad? Okay, just want to inform you, our curry is here. Our shrimp is here. We're ready for our dinner. Okay guys, we are back inside our room. We're going to wait for the 12 midnight to celebrate the new year here at Alona Beach. So Torotot. So we bought a Torotot and partly sparkle. I'm not sure kung i-allow nila mag-sindi yung sparkle dali pa kung dili wala yung mabuhat. Anyway guys, we'll be back mamaya. We're just going to have a bit mag-charge lang siguro, and karon is mag-relax lang for a while and mag-plans para sa tomorrow until 3 January 3, until January 3 midri sa Bohol, and we'll be back to Cebu by 4 or 3. So yun guys, planoon sa adjud na mo kami dyan nalibog me. Be your man, I see future in your eyes, and baby I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, and barefoot on the ground. So it's already 11:25 in the evening, and we are going out to see what is outside.
Is our all?
Our all handa.
Our all handa for this new year. 1 piece of chicken, 2 pieces of donut, and something chicharron with the really meat, and the brownie brown, what's called
Brownies from Kenny Rogers,
and my favorite chocolate red ribbon cake, and a water.
Oh, public pa. Nice one. So guys, we are ready and we are going out and we are prepared. And where is our sparkler thing?
I know you hate him, but it's gonna be my song. Situation in the family, oh, you are. Rise and rise in the darkest days. Got me feeling some kind of way. Make me when it's over.
Yo sé que tu mano sin ningún apuro. Despacito, quiero respirar tu pelo despacito. Y a que te diga cosas al oído, para que te acuerdes si no estás conmigo. Despacito, quiero respirar tu besos despacito. Feed the front, come on. Hey, feed the front, come on. Hey, quiero ver bailar tu pelo, quiero sanar tus zonas de peligro. Hasta provocar tus gritos, y que vienes a venir. No me todo por pegando, poquito, a tu mano besa, y que nunca pasito, suavecito, vamos pegando, poquito, porque esa belleza uno come cabeza, pero como tal aquí con la pieza, oye, despacito, pero espera tu color despacito, y aquí viene que... It's gonna be alright now. So we're gonna count down together. We have 5 minutes. Do we have 5 minutes here? I think it's 4. We have only 4 minutes.
Well, that was the craziest fireworks I've seen in my life. So far, you don't see a lot of fireworks matbot sa Davao. No, that was the best actually. I was amazed. So in close distance, nakita ng mga fireworks at Pilipinas. It was really amazing. I was really amazed. Actually, dapat pa ang mga tao. I'm not sure if nakita ninyo. Pagtao sa gawas, grabe kabibo nila so far. Cobra, ganina beer ka ng cobra. Just a conclusion lang guys, New Year is not over. New Year celebration is not over yet. Yeah. New Year celebration is not over yet. It's just starting. So it's already 20 in the January 1 of 2018 and it's very, very exciting. So we did not regret that we visit here. We visit Bohol for the New Year celebration. It's really amazing. So the next time probably I still come back here to celebrate the New Year. It's really amazing. It's the first time I saw the beautiful fireworks and it's free. It's free. People going back to their rooms and hotels after the celebration of fireworks. Wow. Okay guys, like I said, it was one of the best. This is actually the best New Year that we've experienced. And it's our first time nito na mag New Year outside sa mga balay. So it happened here sa Bohol and would probably be siguro yearly sa gawas na may mag New Year. So guys, it was the best so far. Really the best. It was really amazing. So yun lang siguro for this vlog. This is how we celebrated our New Year here in Bohol. And fireworks, the drinking, mostly foreigners. Actually, kangikig tao so far. And then right now, thank you so much guys for giving us time na magbasa or visit sa mong vlog. And thank you so much. Please subscribe on our YouTube channel. Follow us on Twitter, follow us on Instagram, like us on Facebook. It's a small thing, just a small things to share. Thank you so much guys, and good night everyone. I mean good morning everyone. It's January 1 of 2018 and welcome to 2018. Uy, welcome to 2018. Oh, yay! Woo! Happy New Year!
Suavecito,